بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
There is an Islamic shrine, mausoleum and mosque Suzuk Ota. Mausoleum and mosque Suzuk Ota rises in Shaykhantahur district of Tashkent city. Suzuk Ota's original name is Mustafa Kul. Born in 1140, he was the youngest son of Gavhara Khushtoch, a daughter of founder of first Sufi order in Central Asia, Holy Hazrat Khoja Ahmad Yasavi. The legend says the grandfather of future righteous man would pick him as a child and speak kindly, "My Suzuk, dear child, welcome." This heartwarming address, Suzuk, has become his second name by which he was remembered by people. This righteous man attracted many respectable people, craftsmen, artisans and their close ones to ennoble wastelands, abandoned hills and ravens of Tashkent, built houses and gave shelter to people. Suzuk Ota was generous in sharing his knowledge with many people. He taught them craftsmanship and to work justly, raised hundreds of mentees. Later this mahalla, the neighborhood, was named after Suzuk Ota, a righteous man, wise mentor, craftsman and patron of youth. Today, citizens of this mahalla are engaged in handicrafts, wood carving and other types of crafts. According to historical records, in 1363-1364, Great Amir Timur built the mausoleum on the grave of Suzuk Ota and a mosque next to it. For the last several years, both mausoleum and the mosque were constructed and acquired a beautiful appearance. The main hall can host 2,000 people. Additional canopies were built around the mosque and all necessary conditions created to perform prayers. Today, Suzuk Ota Complex opened its doors for visitors. This holy place are visited by thousands of travelers and pilgrims from all regions of Uzbekistan and around the world.